Hello guys, this is Lalita and welcome to the another series of Learn with Lalita. Today we will going to discuss about some of the important methods and techniques of biotechnology. Firstly, we will going to discuss about what is the ART technology, assisted reproductive technology, and second, we will going to discuss about what is surrogacy. So let us discuss each one of them in detail. Now, firstly, what is the ART technology? It stands for Assisted Reproductive Technology. It is a modern day technique or method which is used in the process of reproduction. Now, what is fertilization? The fusion of male gamete sperm and female gamete, egg or ovum, is termed as fertilization. The assisted reproductive technology is of two types, in vitro and in vivo. In vitro, when the fertilization takes place outside the body, then it is termed as in vitro fertilization. And when the fertilization takes place inside the body, then it is termed as in vivo fertilization. There are some examples of assisted reproductive technology. So let us discuss one by one in detail. Firstly, ZIFT, Z-I-F-T. It stands for zygote intra-fallopian transfer. In this method, the zygote is transferred into the female's body or uterus. What happens in this method? The male gamete sperm and female gamete, egg or ovum, is taken out from the body and in a proper biological environment. For example, in a test tube, their fertilization will take place and the zygote which is formed after the fertilization is transferred into the woman's body through surgical method or equipments. It is a in vitro type of fertilization as the fertilization takes place outside the body. Second type is ZIFT, GIFT. It stands for gamete intra-fallopian transfer. What happens in this method? The fusion of male and female gametes takes place inside the fallopian tube, which is present in the woman's uterus. And it is a in vivo type of fertilization as fertilization will taking place inside the female's body. Now third example is IUT, intrauterine transfer. In this method, the zygote is transferred into the woman's uterus through the vaginal opening. And firstly, the zygote is formed outside the body and then it is transferred into the female's uterus. It is the in vitro type of fertilization. Next type is AI. It stands for artificial insemination. In this method, the semen, which is a type of fluid present in the male reproductive system or in testes, is taken out through surgical methods and then it is transferred into the woman's uterus through injection. It is a in vivo type of fertilization as fertilization takes place inside the female's body. Now next type is ICST, intracytoplasmic sperm injection. In this method, the sperm is taken out from the male body and then it is transferred into the ovum or egg cytoplasm through injection, and it is a very costly method. Now, second, we will going to discuss what is surrogacy. Surrogacy, it is a type of in vitro fertilization, and in this method the zygote is formed outside the body. The male gamete sperm and the female gamete egg or ovum is taken out from the body and in a proper biological environment the zygote is formed. Then after it is transferred into the womb of the another lady, and this process is termed as surrogacy. और इन लेमन टर्म्स सरोगेसी प्रोसेस एक ऐसा मेथड और एक ऐसा टेक्निक है जिसमें मेल गेमेट स्पर्म को और फीमेल गेमेट ओवम को लिया जाता है, उनका फर्टिलाइजेशन कराया जाता है एक प्रॉपर बायोलॉजिकल एनवायरनमेंट में एंड देन जो जायकोट फॉर्म होता है उसको एक अनदर लेडी के वॉम में ट्रांसफ़र किया जाता है थ्रू सर्जिकल मेथड्स, और इसको हम दूसरे तरीके से किराए की कोख भी बोलते हैं. So now the question is whether the surrogacy is legal in India or not. So always remember the commercial surrogacy is banned and illegal in India. Whether the medical surrogacy is legal in India, but it is also based on some of the terms and conditions, and it is only done if the doctor advised. It carried out for some or few exceptional cases. In case if the mother or the lady is not able to carry the uh, pregnancy forward, or if the woman or lady suffering from some acute or chronic disease which becomes transfer of the hereditary diseases from mother to the fetus, or if the damage or some type of organ is damaged, or mitochondrial disease is present in the woman's body, then only in these type of few exceptional cases the surrogacy is advised by the doctors. And there are some of the important terms and conditions which is required before which must be fulfilled before carrying out this process forward. And these terms and conditions is approved by the health committee, which comes under the central government health department. So now let us discuss what are the terms and conditions which are required for carrying forward this process of surrogacy. Firstly, the mother or the lady which the couple or their parents were hiring is of close relative or close friend or any known woman. It it is the prior condition or first term which should be fulfilled by the couples. Second is the signing amount or the cost should have to be given. Half of the amount should have to be given to that lady before the procedure starts, and after the successful completion of this process the rest of the amount will be delivered to that woman from that couple. And all this process is documented in a proper legal format which includes all the surgical cost, medical daily routine checkups, all the pre and postnatal care, and till the birth of the baby. This document is signed by both the parties. The party which is hiring the another woman for the process of surrogacy by the doctors, and that woman which is ready for this process. Now fourth is this process required cost up to 10 lakh or more. It includes all the cost, medical checkups, weekly or monthly checkups, medicine cost, pre and postnatal care, care of the child also. It includes. And then after the completion, successful completion of this process, the baby is delivered from that lady to the actual parents. Now always remember the uh, lady or that woman which is carrying that fetus in her uterus is called the surrogate mother, and that surrogate mother does not have any legal right on that child, because the biological parents or the actual parents of that child is the one whose sperm and egg is involved in this process. So this is all about the process of surrogacy, their terms and conditions, and in what cases the doctors advise the process of surrogacy. We will also discuss ART technology, assisted reproductive technology, and their examples. So this is all about the today's topic, and for more videos and such informative knowledge insightful, please keep like, share and subscribe this channel. Thank you.